If your skin feels dry or stripped after you shave, your soap is the problem. It's time for a reset. Today we're making the Whipped Menthol Shaving Butter. It's a dense, cushiony concentrate inspired by classic Italian barbershop soaps. First, melt your structure, 3/4 cups of stearic acid, 3 tablespoons of shea butter, and 1 teaspoon of crushed menthol crystals. You're gonna stir until clear. While that melts, you're gonna whisk a 1/4 cup of foam boost, 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, and 1 tablespoon of rice protein. Fold that into 1.5 cups of SCI and 1/2 cup of SLSA powders. Pour your melted butters into the paste and whip on low to combine everything together. Then mix on high for 5 minutes until you get these beautiful, stiff, marshmallowy peaks. Once cooled, add your natural preservative and antioxidant, 1 teaspoon of GeoGuard ECT preservative, and 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E. Finally, your essential fragrance oils of choice, and blend for another minute. You can also customize this base into 4 unique blends. First, there's lavender mint silk, a feminine spa-like scent. You're gonna mix 1 tablespoon of lavender, 1 teaspoon of spearmint with a 1/4 teaspoon of rose kaolin clay. Next is the Island Chill, which is feminine, bright, and tropical, which uses 2 teaspoons coastal cactus, 1 teaspoon tropical zest, and 1 teaspoon lime with a pinch of lime green mica for a bright island vibe. Then the eucalyptus forest scent, which is masculine like a brisk mountain morning, with 2 teaspoons each of eucalyptus and cedarwood, and a 1/4 teaspoon of French green clay. And finally, the sophisticated masculine dark Arctic teak wood. For this, you're gonna blend 2 teaspoons of Caribbean teak wood and 1 teaspoon each of the alpine clean and saffron cedar, finished with a pinch of black mica. I will be making the lavender mint silk on camera today. Once I've mixed in the essential oils, I will now fold the mixture until the color is uniform. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then whip it one last time for 60 seconds. This creates a more stable structure that won't deflate after you jar it. You can spoon the frosting into a piping bag or straight into the jars and label. Pro tip, avoid an ice bath here. The dry powders cool the oils perfectly on their own. To use, you want to apply to wet skin for a high performance cooling and soothing shave. A small amount goes a long way. The result is a cooling cloud that feels like a cushion. It smells like a high-end spa and leaves your skin feeling silky, not stripped. Store in a cool, dry place and keep that lid tight between uses to maintain that perfect marshmallow texture. I can't wait to see which blend you chose. Share your photos with #IMadeThis for a chance to win a $100 gift card. See you in the next video.